Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create custom profiles for your Logitech G316X keyboard. To do that, make sure to connect your keyboard to your PC and install the official G-Hub software for it from the official Logitech website. Once you do so, you're gonna have to go to the main page of your application, select your keyboard right here. Now, in the top right corner, you'll be able to see the profile selector. If you expand this list, you'll be able to click Manage Profiles. So click right here and then select the desktop profile and tap Add Profiles. Now we have the new profile right here selected. Then select your keyboard once again, and now we'll be able to see that we have our default profile that is currently disabled and a new profile which is currently active. And so right now we can adjust the presets, some freestyle and animations for our custom profile. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.